everyone, today I'm making Devil's Food Premium Cake. Here I have all the necessary items that are needed for this cake. It's a quick and simple recipe. You can get this from any store, Walmart, Walgreens, or CVS. We have 3 eggs that are needed. We have the baking pan right here, and we need 1 cup water and a half a cup oil. It could be any oil. I have used olive oil here, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take the cake mix and dump it into this right here, all of it. After that, I'm going to take the eggs, crack them open. I'm going to take the second egg, do the same. Then I'm going to take the water and pour it in to the mixture. Then I'm going to take the oil, pour that into the mixture as well. Take this, and I'm just going to mix it for about 2 minutes, okay? We're gonna pour everything and just mix it, just as I showed you. When it becomes, the texture becomes nice and thick, that's when I'll know I need to stop. But right now, as you can see, I still need to mix more. It's getting better. Continue mixing. You can set your timer for 2 minutes, but it's not necessary. It's all on you. Whatever makes you feel comfortable. So now that I see everything is mixed very well. So now that everything's mixed very well in here, I'm going to take my spatula and just start pouring it out into the pan. I'm using a non-stick pan, I believe it's 9-inch. Non-stick pan, and I'm just going to lay this out here completely. Try to get everything out and just lay it flat. And once you have everything out like that, then you're going to take it to the oven and make sure that your oven is preheated to 350. Just take it all out. There you go. And so now I'm going to put this in the preheated oven. Okay, it's at 350. Make sure that you have your mittens on, your baking mittens. I'm going to leave this in here for about 34 minutes, okay? It's been about 34 minutes. I have opened the oven, and you can see how beautiful the cake looks. You can do a test on it to make sure that it is thoroughly baked. Pull it forward a little bit with your mittens on. Take a toothpick and press it in. If the toothpick comes out clear, your cake is ready. Now I'm going to put it on the rack right here so that it's not touching the surface of the counter. We're going to leave it here so it could cool, okay? Once it's nice and cool, you can cut as you like. Put cream on it and serve.